Hello. In this video, we're going to use transformations and graph the function using the steps provided in class. So we have y equals negative the cube root of x plus 4. Okay, so again, we want to identify the parent function, getting rid of any multiplication or any addition or subtraction. That's going to leave us with y equals the cube root of x. Now, this negative out here, you should think of it as a -1 times something, so that's the reason it needs to go away as well. That's going to leave us with a parent table. The x's will be -8, -1, 0, 1, and 8. The y values will be -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Good. Now let's identify some transformations. The first transformation I see is that negative on the outside. So let's look at what y equals negative cube root of x looks like. Well, first of all, that negative is a reflection. It is a reflection across the x-axis. Because this is on the outside, it affects the y value, which means that the x value stays the same. So this is an x-axis reflection. So since the x values stay the same, we can just rewrite them. -8, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And really what happens here is we're multiplying the y value by -1. So -2 times -1 is 2, -1 times -1 is 1, 0 times -1 is 0, 1 times -1 is -1, 2 times -1 is -2. Good. Next, let's look at that plus 4. So that's going to give us y equals negative cube root of x, and then plus 4 on the outside. Now, notice that that plus 4 on the outside means just 4, and it's a vertical. And in this case, that would be a shift. So it's a vertical shift of 4. Create an XY table. And since it's a vertical shift, that means that the y's change, which means that the x's stay the same. So we're just going to rewrite -8, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And we're just going to add 4 to all the y values. Two plus 4 is 6, 1 plus 4 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, -1 plus 4 is 3, -2 plus 4 is 2. Excellent. And then we just graph these. -8, +6, -1, 5, 0, 4, 1, 3, and 8, 2. There we go. That's better. 8, 2. Good deal. Notice that I saw that 2, 2 was definitely not, because that last point should never be right there. So that means that this point is better. And just a refresher, the parent function for the cubic function looks something like this. And you can kind of see here it is. And so just kind of connect these with a trusty, well, not a trusty straight edge, but a curve, really. Alrighty. Well, there you go. That's the graph. I'll go ahead and leave it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.